It's about to go down.
Now, first of all, big thanks to TesStudio. TesStudio has amazing electric vehicle EV accessories. There's going to be a link in the description below with the discount code you can use. If you remember, I got these awesome door sills and door handles in this video right here from TesStudio. So make sure to check them out. So here's a picture of everything that it comes with, and let's move over to the Cybertruck.
All right, so as you saw, it consisted of 3 parts, 2 sidewalls, and they sit in just like that, extremely flush. Now there are 2 holes on the sides where you're actually going to drill in with the screws they gave you. So just set it in. It sits 100% flush. That is nice. So the next step is actually right on the base here. You can see the screws. So really heavy, nice material. And again, you can program whatever finger you have. For me, it was easiest for my index finger. Turns green, you turn the knob, and then it has a spring-loaded, fantastic addition to the Cybertruck. Thank you so much to them. Love it.